We live in an age of wonders, an age of information. More data is created now than ever before. It flows around us like a vast cosmic ocean. Billions of websites, countless articles, endless streams of text. This is the digital universe, expanding, always expanding. Our curiosity drives us to explore it, to understand, to know, but the sheer volume can be overwhelming, a deluge. Imagine trying to count every grain of sand on all the beaches of Earth. Then imagine trying to find one specific grain. That is the challenge we face. Information overload. Our minds, evolved on the savannas of Africa, are not built for this flood. We seek patterns, we seek meaning, but the noise can be deafening. The signal, the precious insight can be lost. We are explorers in a sea of data, often without a reliable compass. This abundance should be a gift, a treasure trove of human knowledge, yet it often feels like a burden. How do we manage it all? How do we make sense of it? We scroll, we click, we search, but are we truly learning, or just skimming the surface? The tools of the past are no longer sufficient. They are like small rafts in a galactic storm. We need something more powerful, something more intelligent. Consider the libraries of antiquity, the great library of Alexandria, a beacon of knowledge, but finite, contained within walls. Today, the library is the world. It has no walls, it is dynamic, ever-changing, growing at an astonishing rate. To navigate this new reality, we need new kinds of tools that can help us not just find information, but understand it, connect it, use it. The quest for such a tool is a grand human adventure. Out of this challenge, a new possibility emerges, a glimmer of light in the digital darkness. From the innovators at Google, a company that knows a thing or two about information, they are crafting an experimental tool, a new kind of assistant, not one made of flesh and blood, but of algorithms and intelligence. They call it Notebook LM. LM stands for Language Model. Think of it as a guiding star for your intellectual journey, a companion to help you chart your course through the knowledge cosmos. Notebook LM is not just another search engine, it is designed to be something more personal, more intimate. It's a research assistant powered by artificial intelligence. Its purpose is to help you work with your own information, your documents, your notes, your chosen sources from the web. It aims to transform how we interact with knowledge, making it more fluid, more intuitive, like having a wise, tireless scholar by your side. Imagine a universe of your own making, filled with the information that matters most to you. Notebook LM helps you build and explore this personal universe. It's not about searching the entire internet for a needle. It's about deeply understanding the hay you've already gathered, to find the insights, to see the connections. This is a shift in perspective, from public search to personal sense-making. A tool to augment your own unique way of thinking. This is an experiment, a bold step into the future. How can AI help us become better thinkers, better creators? Notebook LM is part of that exploration. It seeks to empower individuals, students, writers, researchers, anyone who grapples with information and strives for understanding. It's a promise of clarity in an increasingly complex world, a new way to illuminate the pathways of discovery. The journey of knowledge is about to get more interesting. So, how does this celestial guide actually work? Notebook LM is designed to be your personal information hub. You provide the raw materials, the stardust of your knowledge. These can be Google Docs filled with your thoughts and research. They can be PDF files, dense with academic papers or reports, even simple text files or content copied from trusted websites. You choose the sources. You curate your collection. This is crucial. The AI learns from what you give it. Once you've fed your sources into Notebook LM, the magic begins. It doesn't just store these documents like files in a folder. It reads them, it processes them, it strives to understand them. Using the power of advanced artificial intelligence, it analyzes the text. It looks for key concepts, for relationships between ideas, for the underlying meaning. It's like having a researcher who can read thousands of pages in moments, and not just read, but comprehend. This is the foundation of its power. The true marvel is in the synthesis. Notebook LM doesn't just treat each source in isolation, it weaves them together, creating a connected web of your information. Imagine your notes on history, your scientific articles, your project plans. Suddenly they are not separate islands, they are part of a single continent. The AI can draw connections between a fact in one document and a related idea in another. even if you hadn't seen the link yourself. This ability to synthesize is what sets it apart. This creates a dynamic, interactive knowledge base. It's not static, it's alive with potential connections. You can ask questions that span across multiple documents. Notebook LM will search through your personalized collection, not just for keywords, but for relevant concepts and answers. It's like having a conversation with your own library, a library that understands the content of its books and can help you put the pieces together in new ways. Think about the implications. You become the architect of your own information space, a personal universe crafted from the materials you deem important. Every document you add is like a new star, a new planet, each one holding specific knowledge, specific insights. Notebook LM acts as the gravitational force, holding it all together, making it coherent, making it explorable. This is a profound shift from scattered files and forgotten bookmarks towards a unified, intelligent repository of your learning. The beauty of this personal universe is its accessibility. It's searchable, not with clunky keyword-based searches of old, but with natural language queries. You can ask complex questions. What were the main arguments against this theory in my research notes? Summarize the key findings from these 3 PDF reports. Notebook LM delves into your sources. It finds the relevant passages. It helps you pinpoint the exact information you need precisely when you need it. This is power. This process of building your knowledge base is empowering. You are in control. You decide what goes in. This ensures the AI is working with information you trust, information you value. It's not drawing from the vast, often unreliable expanse of the open internet, unless you explicitly add web content you've vetted. This focus on your curated sources makes the assistance more relevant, more accurate. It becomes a true extension of your own mind, reflecting your interests, supporting your specific goals. Imagine the relief. No more frantic searching through disorganized folders. No more wondering where you saved that crucial piece of information. Your personal knowledge universe is structured, it's intelligent, it's ready to serve you, to help you learn faster, to think deeper. This is not just about storing information, it's about transforming your relationship with it, making it an active, dynamic partner in your intellectual endeavors, a universe of your own, ready to be explored. Section 5, Illuminating Insights, Precise Retrieval and Understanding. The true test of any guide is its ability to lead you to your destination. And well, Notebook LM aims to do just that, but for your mind. When you pose a question to your personalized knowledge base, it goes to work. It doesn't just spit back a list of documents, oh no, it strives to provide precise answers sourced directly from your materials. This is a quantum leap beyond simple search. It's about targeted information retrieval, pinpoint accuracy, like a laser beam cutting through the clutter to reveal the core truth. But hey, retrieval is only part of the story. Understanding is key. Notebook LM doesn't just find the words, it helps you understand their context. It can summarize long passages, explain complex concepts in simpler terms. It can even highlight the sources for each piece of information in its answer, so you can always trace it back, verify its origin, delve deeper if you wish. This transparency builds trust. It allows you to critically engage with the AI's output. It's like having a personal tutor who can break down difficult ideas and show you exactly where those ideas come from. Consider the challenge of research. Hours spent sifting, reading, trying to connect the dots. Notebook LM can accelerate this process dramatically. Imagine you're studying a complex historical event. You've gathered articles, book excerpts, and your own notes. You can ask Notebook LM to compare different accounts or to identify the key figures mentioned across all your sources. It helps you see patterns, synthesize information, build a richer understanding. It's a tireless assistant, immune to fatigue, devoted to your quest for knowledge. This capability transforms how we interact with large volumes of text. It's no longer a one-way street where we passively consume information. Now it's a dialogue, a dynamic exchange. We can interrogate our documents, we can ask them to reveal their secrets. Notebook LM acts as the interpreter, the mediator, facilitating a deeper connection between you and your knowledge. This isn't just about finding answers, it's about fostering genuine comprehension, illuminating the path to insight. Section 6, Creative Constellations, Sparking Ideas with AI. The universe is not just facts and figures, it is also a canvas for imagination. Notebook LM understands this. It's designed not only for research, but also to be a partner in the creative process, a spark for new ideas. How can an AE help you create? By working with the material you provide, by helping you see it in new ways, by offering unexpected connections. It can act as a sounding board, a brainstorming partner, one that has perfect memory of everything you've told it and can process it with lightning speed. Imagine you are a writer crafting a complex novel with intricate plot lines and many characters. You can feed your story drafts, character sketches and world-building notes into Notebook LM. Then you can ask it questions like, are there any inconsistencies in this character's timeline? Or suggest some potential plot twists based on these unresolved conflicts. It can help you keep track of details, brainstorm new narrative arcs, or even help you generate descriptive passages based on your established tone. It's like having a co-pilot for your creative journey. Or perhaps you're an innovator, a product designer. You've gathered market research, user feedback, and competitor analysis. You can load all this into Notebook LM. Then you can use it to brainstorm new features. What are the most common pain points mentioned by users? Based on these trends, what potential product improvements could we explore? It can help you synthesize diverse data points, identify unmet needs, and spark those aha moments that lead to breakthroughs. It's a tool for divergent thinking, grounded in your own research. This is where AI transcends mere information processing. It becomes a catalyst for human ingenuity by organizing and representing your own knowledge in novel ways. Notebook LM can help you break free from conventional thinking patterns. It can surface unexpected associations, highlight overlooked possibilities. It's not about the AI being creative on its own. It's about the AI empowering creativity, helping you connect the stars of your ideas into new constellations. Section 7. Galaxies of Application. Notebook LM in action. The potential applications of a tool like Notebook LM are as vast as space itself. It's not confined to one field or one type of user. Its power lies in its adaptability, its ability to serve diverse needs. For students, it can be a revolutionary study partner. Imagine loading all your course notes, textbooks, and research papers, then asking for summaries before an exam or explanations of difficult concepts. It can make learning more personalized, more interactive, more effective, helping students conquer mountains of academic material. For scientists and researchers, the implications are profound. The pace of discovery is often limited by the ability to process existing knowledge. Notebook LM can help analyze vast data sets of research literature, identify gaps in current understanding, even suggest potential hypotheses. Imagine a biologist exploring connections between disparate studies on genetics, or an astronomer sifting through observation logs for subtle anomalies. It can accelerate the scientific process, leading to faster breakthroughs, unlocking new insights from the accumulated wisdom of their field. Writers, journalists, and content creators also stand to benefit immensely, keeping track of complex narratives, organizing interview transcripts, fact-checking information across multiple sources. Notebook LM can streamline these tasks, freeing up more time for the creative act itself. A historian could use it to cross-reference ancient texts. A legal professional could analyze case files and precedents. The tool provides a way to manage and interrogate large bodies of text with a precision and speed previously unimaginable. And it's not just for professionals or academics. Anyone with a curious mind, anyone who loves to learn, anyone undertaking a personal project that involves information. From planning a complex trip to learning a new skill to researching a hobby, Notebook LM offers a way to organize your findings, make sense of them, and ultimately, to understand the world a little better. It's a tool for lifelong learning, for personal exploration. Its galaxies of application are waiting to be discovered by each user. Section 8. The Engine of Understanding, powered by Gemini. What makes such a sophisticated research assistant possible? Behind Notebook LM lies a powerful engine, a new star in the constellation of AI. This engine is Google's Gemini, one of the most advanced language models yet created. Gemini is not just about understanding words, it's about understanding the world, or at least the world as represented in text, code, images, and more. It's designed to be multimodal, meaning it can process and reason about different types of information. This capability is crucial for a tool like Notebook LM. Gemini's strength lies in its nuanced comprehension. It can grasp context, understand subtlety, irony, implication. These are things that have traditionally been very difficult for computers. But Gemini represents a significant step forward. It's been trained on an immense data set, allowing it to learn the patterns of human language and, importantly, the relationships between concepts. This deep understanding is what allows Notebook LM to go beyond simple keyword matching, to truly engage with the content of your documents. When you ask Notebook LM a question, Gemini is the intelligence that processes it. It analyzes your query, scans your uploaded sources, identifies the relevant information, and formulates an answer. It does this by considering the meaning, not just the surface-level text. This ability to understand and reason about information is what makes Notebook LM feel like a partner, not just a passive tool, but an active participant in your research process. It's the difference between a simple calculator and a skilled mathematician. The development of models like Gemini is a testament to human ingenuity. It's the result of years of research, pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence. These models are becoming increasingly sophisticated, more capable, and as they improve, tools like Notebook LM will become even more powerful, more intuitive, more helpful. Gemini is the invisible force, the cosmic engine that enables Notebook LM to illuminate your personal universe of knowledge, driving a new era of intelligent information assistance. Section 9, The Next Frontier, Revolutionizing Learning and Discovery. We stand on the cusp of a new epoch, a transformation in how we interact with knowledge. Tools like Notebook LM are more than just clever software. They represent a fundamental shift, a new frontier in learning and discovery. For centuries, our ability to learn has been limited by our capacity to process information. Our brains, remarkable as they are, have their limits. But AI assistants like Notebook LM can augment our cognitive abilities. They can help us manage more information, understand it more deeply, and connect ideas in ways we never could before. Imagine a world where everyone has a personalized learning companion. Students mastering complex subjects with greater ease. Scientists accelerating the pace of innovation by uncovering hidden connections in data. Professionals making better decisions, informed by a comprehensive understanding of their field. This is the promise of AI-powered research assistants. They have the potential to democratize expertise, to make sophisticated knowledge management accessible to all, not just the privileged few. This isn't about replacing human thought, it's about enhancing it. Notebook LM and similar tools are amplifiers of human intellect. They handle the heavy lifting of information processing, freeing us to focus on higher-level thinking, critical analysis, creative synthesis. The future of problem solving will involve a partnership, a collaboration between human minds and artificial intelligence, each bringing their unique strengths to the table, together tackling challenges that once seemed insurmountable. The journey of understanding is a core part of the human experience. From the earliest humans gazing at the stars to modern scientists probing the mysteries of the cosmos, we are driven by a desire to know, to learn, to explore. Notebook LM is a new instrument in this timeless quest. It offers a way to navigate the ever-expanding universe of information with greater clarity. The implications are exciting, profound. We are just beginning to explore this next frontier. The future of learning, discovery, and innovation shines brightly ahead.